Are you struggling with high creatinine levels? Tried everything, but nothing works. Here's the hard truth. You cannot lower creatinine if you're not eating these 4 specific superfoods. In fact, skipping just one of them could be the reason you're not seeing results. Stick around, because none of the 3 surprises even doctors. Creatinine is a waste product your kidneys are supposed to filter out. When your levels go up, it's your body's way of screaming for help. But guess what? Most people focus on what to avoid and completely miss the foods that can actually help. Let's fix that. First up, red bell peppers, packed with vitamin C and lycopene. These are inflammation-fighting powerhouses. But the real kicker, they're low in potassium, so they support your kidneys without overloading them. Bonus, the antioxidants here help reduce oxidative stress, a key player in kidney damage. Next, garlic, not just for flavor. It's a natural blood cleanser. Studies show it reduces creatinine levels by improving kidney blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Garlic also reduces inflammation in your kidneys. But here's the key. You need it raw or lightly cooked for max benefits. Number 3, and this shocks most people, blueberries. These tiny fruits are packed with anthocyanins, which are proven to protect kidney tissue and reduce creatinine levels. Eat them daily, even frozen. They help repair kidney damage at the cellular level. And finally, a hidden gem, dandelion tea. It's a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body flush out excess creatinine through urine. Plus, it supports liver health, which plays a backup role in waste removal. Remember, cutting sodium and staying hydrated is great. But without these 4 superfoods, you're missing the healing part of the equation. So if you're serious about lowering creatinine, add these to your daily routine, starting today. Which of these are already in your kitchen? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share with someone who needs this. And subscribe for more kidney-saving tips. See you in the next video.